if your erection isn't going up straight. Your steel probably wasn't cut right. I see this all the time on structural jobs. Twist, fight, close enough. Then the crane shows up and everybody pretends it's a rigging problem. It's not. Plasma leaves variability, heat, cleanup, guesswork. That turns erection into a wrestling match. PB2 profile, lasers cut structural steel exact. Profiles, miters, slots, bolt holes, done right before it hits the site. Clean cuts, perfect fit up. The erection just goes up. If you're still using plasma for structural tube, you're making erection harder than it needs to be. Call PB lasers before your competitor does.